Hello and welcome to Gurully's YouTube channel. My name is Brijesh and today we are going to discuss a major update from the Duolingo English Test regarding the secondary camera. So in this video we are going to discuss how you can set up your secondary camera, what are the things that you need to keep in mind before giving the exam, and various aspects that you need to follow while giving the exam. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Yes, you heard it right. The new secondary camera has introduced in the Duolingo exam. But what was the reason for introducing this new secondary camera for the Duolingo exam? In the recent time, the number of invalidations of the results for the students was increased, and as a result of it, the students were facing so many problems for giving the exam. In order to tackle this problem, Duolingo has come up with a solution to proctor the exam in a very new and innovative way, which is very much important for the students to set up this camera. Now let's see how you should set up your secondary camera on Duolingo exam. Firstly, open your DET desktop application and sign in to your account. Enter your credential to log in. Once you do that, start your exam and proceed until the instructor to set up your phone is coming up on your screen. On that screen, you will see a QR code which you need to scan on your camera phone. You need to make sure you are not using any another application, otherwise it will not work and it will invalidate your results. Once you do that, make sure your phone is fully charged. If possible, plug the charging port to your phone so you are not running out of your battery while giving the exam. The other things that you need to make sure is you need to put your phone on do not disturb. Make sure there are no notification or calls coming while you are giving your exam. Once this step is followed, allow the desktop application to access your phone's camera, which will start recording, and now you need to set up the angle as per the guidelines given by the Duolingo. So let's see how you should set up the phone's camera angle in order to record your exam. Lean your phone against any heavy object to your left or right, it doesn't matter in which angle you are placing. Your keyboard and screen should be visible at whichever angle you are placing. Placing the phone horizontal will be the most stable angle and the visible angle for the Duolingo to capture your screen. Alright, now let's see what is required in order to start your exam. Firstly, you require a mobile phone which have a stable mobile network. Secondly, I would recommend that you have a mobile charger plugged into your phone, which is a recommendation from my side. However, it is optional from the Duolingo side. Thirdly, you should have a heavy object on which you can place your phone, so the camera angle should be visible in a way that it should show your screen and your laptop keyboard. Alright, the secondary camera has introduced, but what's the benefit for you as a Duolingo English test taker? Firstly, the number of invalidation of your result will come down drastically. Secondly, Duolingo will have an additional parameter to judge your result. Thirdly, it will be a cost efficient for you as you don't have to appear the exam again and again. Hardly in 1 or 2 attempts you will be able to clear your exam. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you still further have any doubt regarding how to set up your secondary camera, comment down. Our team will personally help you out on setting up your camera. Until then, stay safe and happy learning. Bye-bye.